Hello everyone, welcome to Analysistrends. I'm very excited to introduce all with the new simulator platform on Analysistrends, which is just launched. So what do you need to do? So basically, if you are someone who is very new at BA or want to learn more about BA and try to start testing yourself, try to do some projects, try to do some case study, we have something for you. So this is a website which is basically analysis trends, and we have a part of it called BA simulation specific to business analysis. So what is expected here? Once you land on the website, the very first thing you see here is the type and the level of the complexity that you want to choose for. And if you're unsure, for example, like you're not sure which one to start with, you can take the skill assessment. So when I select the take skills assessment, we'll ask you 5 questions which will actually help us in order to give or recommend the proper level of case study that you can solve. So for example, like someone who have basic knowledge, okay, someone who have created few BRDs, someone who have managed in the small project and never created process diagram, and let's say have used a basic prioritization technique. So by this sense, it is recommending you to choose intermediate level. You can still go ahead and choose any level manually. And if you are not sure what to choose for, you can do this assessment. So let's go back, and there are like 3 assessment level already given, which is beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So when you see beginner, there are multiple uh, industries or domains that you can do the case study for. For example, like retail and e-commerce, retail and technology, we have a case study there called e-commerce platform redesign, and you can start doing the simulation. In a similar way, you can do the intermediate and advanced level simulations as well, depending on the domain and industry you want to choose for. But as per our score, what we got is we got to choose for for intermediate. So let me just try and select intermediate. I have one case study available here. I can start doing the case study. So as soon as I enter here we have defined the whole pattern in a way that you track what's happening in the case study. So you can read the case study here, and based on that you can give your answers. Based on your answers, the stakeholder trust, the risk, and the quality is defined, and the impact from your last decisions will show you whether you have taken the right or wrong decision. Um, you can keep on doing this until you get the final outcome, and you can do this multiple times. So this is very first time we have introduced this on our platform. So please go ahead and try. I'm putting a link in the description. You can reach out to me on LinkedIn for some discount coupon code to start with for an early access. But definitely you can try all the tasks, and these are like for free for now, and you can go ahead and choose them manually. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and we will add more and more case study going forward. So stay connected. Thank you.